Sales onboarding is the most expensive gap in your sales org. 6 months of paying a rep before they pay you back.
The average B2B rep takes 6 months to ramp. That's 26 weeks of full salary. 45% of new reps never hit quota in year 1, and half of them leave inside 18 months.
Why? Because traditional onboarding is knowledge transfer, slides, shadowing, role play with a tired manager. Knowing the product isn't the same as selling it.
Companies using AI sales roleplay cut ramp time in half. 6 months to 3. Same rep, same hire, different system.
AI plays the buyer, different personas, different objections every day. From day one, your new rep is handling a procurement pushback, a pricing curveball, a competitor mention. 1. Day 1 practice. While the old rep is still in slide deck onboarding, the new one is already on take 12 of the discovery call. 2. Consistent training. Every new hire gets the same coaching, the same objection patterns, the same playbook calibration. No more who did they shadow. 3. Specific feedback. Not good job, but you talked over the buyer at 038. You missed the budget signal. Your discovery to pitch ratio was 30 to 70. Flip it. 4. Manager bandwidth. The AI handles repetition. The human handles judgment calls. Your best closer doesn't have to coach fundamentals anymore. The result? Ramp time cut 50%. Win rates climbing. Manager hours reclaimed. And new reps confident in week 4, not month 7.